Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. Hear me roar, rawr. Welcome. So glad to see you. Hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. I have a Temu haul that is sponsored by Temu. I was contacted by Temu and given an allowance of $50 to buy whatever I wanted from the Temu site and to celebrate them in this video. And so here I have a Temu haul. Temu! Woo! Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'd really appreciate it. You know, Temu has not asked me to just go, yay, Temu. They just asked me to pick out some things and review them for my channel. And I'm more than happy to do that because I buy Temu stuff all the time. This is like my 4th Temu video. And I'm really excited to see what I got because it's been a while since I ordered it. But it comes really quick. It's not been that long, but it's always fun to see what it looks like from when you order it to when you get it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. This is a lot of stuff. And I'm very excited because a lot of this stuff is for my kitchen, but one of the things is for my set here. My Christmas gnome needs to go home. And I've got a new gnome from Temu. And I'm very excited about it. The Temu gnome. He said go home to the Temu gnome. And he's just a happy little gnome who's got a cup of coffee. So out with the old and in with the new. There we go. He's gonna just hang out there in the corner, but he's very cool and he was just a couple of dollars. Sadly, I don't have the list of prices, but everything that I've ordered is I remember some of the prices. Like this is very exciting to me. This is something to help me with my closet problem. Well, I have a clothes problem where I have a lot of clothes and I've got a lot of hangers, but I don't have a lot of closet room. And these hangers are gonna help me with my closet problem. And it comes in a pack of 3. And what you do, everything's so rattly. That's the only thing that makes me crazy is everything is individually wrapped, which is also very nice. But you take this hook. Okay, well, you put this hook. Someone smarter than me is going to take this hook. Someone stronger than me is going to take this hook and put it here. And so I can hang this in the closet, and then I can put hangers on these different levels so I can hang more items in one spot. So that's very cool. And this is less than $4. Then we have this. And it is a pot strainer or a bowl strainer, but it is a strainer that you just put on the lip of a bowl, and you can hold the bowl like this and strain out your juices, your sauces, your grease, whatever. And this was just a few dollars. Next up, Oh, this is amazing. I used to sell Pampered Chef. And Pampered Chef is really nice stuff, but it's really expensive. And their quality of things is great. But they had this food chopper. And I always wanted one, but I never had the money to get it. Well, I've got one now from Temu, and it is plastic, and it's like this. So you have, let's say, ground beef in a pan or some vegetables, and you can use this to chop up and stir the ground beef or vegetables while you're cooking. And so it is a great chopper stirrer, and they call this a meat chopper. But it's also good for, you can mash berries with it. You can use a lot of different things with that. So that's very cool. Kitchen shears. I've got a set of kitchen scissors attached to my butcher block knives. But I need a good pair of sharp kitchen shears. And these are powerful. Ooh, they're crazy sharp. They're like dangerously sharp. In the picture on Temu, it's of these scissors cutting a chicken foot. So if it can cut a chicken foot, just imagine what it can cut in your kitchen. So this is very sturdy and very sharp. And it's serrated. It's got a serrated edge. And it's got a grip in here so you can grab it tight. So I got some kitchen shears. This is something I'm also very excited about. We do a lot of cooking with avocado oil, and it's hard to, and avocado oil is great because it's got a high cooking, it's got a high smoke temperature, so you can cook things at really high temperatures and not have your kitchen full of smoke. Well, it's hard to find an aerosol, like, you know, grease spray, you know, that's got avocado oil. So now I ordered this, and it's a bottle that I can fill with any kind of oil that I want, and then I can just squirt it on the pan. So that's really great. That was just a couple dollars. Oh, this is super cool. Oh, this is really heavy. This is super heavy. This is metal. Like, you could hurt somebody with this. My cats are playing with the plastic bags now. But this is a magnet. And we collect magnets in this house. But this magnet is handy because it's got the conversion charts for measurements and their equivalent. So a cup equals 16 teaspoons equals 40 tablespoons equals 48 teaspoons. A fluid is 8 ounces and milliliters is 237. So it breaks everything down in your major measurements and their equivalent. So that's very handy. And then this, it says caution. Oh, I know what this is. This is some lights for my husband's, he's got a music room. And he likes to have different color lights flashing. He has disco lights. He has all kinds of stuff like that. And here is a reel of multicolor lights, and it comes with a remote control and a charger. So he can, it's charged to a USB port. He can charge the lights up or have the lights plugged up, and then he can change the colors at will. So this is very cool. I'm not going to undo it because it's quite a bit of lights. I expected it to be a bigger reel, but this is very cool. And, you know, it was less than $10 for this roll. It was like, I don't remember exactly how much. Temu, sorry. I didn't have the list with the prices. But this is very cool, and this is my haul. And I'm very excited about all the things that I got from Temu, and I want to thank them so much for supporting my channel and for giving me the opportunity to show you some of the great things that you can get at Temu. And like I said, most of this is kitchen stuff, except for my new gnome. He's studio stuff. And I want to thank you so much for being with me, and I hope you have a great day. You should give Temu a chance. I'll have some more information about Temu down below, and have a great day or day of your choice. Bye.